Shopify POS can help your coffee shop succeed. If you manage a coffee shop, you understand the importance of having the necessary tools to run your business smoothly and successfully. One such tool is Shopify POS. We'll talk about how a Shopify point-of-sale system may help your coffee business expand and prosper in this video. Alternatively, you may use the link below to chat with an expert about how it can make your coffee shop better than ever. What exactly is Shopify POS? Shopify POS is a full point-of-sale system designed to help business owners streamline the sales process. It connects to your current Shopify site, allowing you to track sales, manage inventory, collect payments, and more. Customers may place orders both in store and online using this method. How will it help your coffee shop? Shopify POS can help your coffee business in a variety of ways. Here are a few examples. Number 1. Simplified checkout process. With Shopify POS, you can collect payments in store or online swiftly and conveniently without having to manually enter data into various systems. This saves time and guarantees that your consumer's checkout procedure is quick and efficient. Number 2. Automated inventory management. When you utilize Shopify POS, you won't have to worry about manually tracking inventory because the process is automated. This makes it simple to verify that stock levels are always correct and up to date. You'll also be able to simply observe which goods are doing well, allowing you to modify inventory as needed. Number 3. Increased visibility. With Shopify POS, customers can browse all of their favorite things on one platform, whether they're buying in store or online. This means more exposure for your items and a higher possibility of earning sales. Number 4. Easier reporting. With thorough reporting options, it's easier than ever to maintain track of sales performance and make changes as needed for future success. Number 5. Cost savings. Because Shopify POS automates everything, there are less expenses connected with human labor or data input errors that may otherwise cost your organization money over time. If you're seeking for a more effective method to manage your coffee shop, Shopify Point of Sale is the way to go. It's no surprise that so many businesses rely on this sophisticated platform. With its quicker checkout process, automated inventory management features, enhanced visibility advantages, better reporting capabilities, and lower expenses associated with human labor or data input errors. Click the link below to give it a go and discover how much it can help your coffee business prosper.